Hello guys, and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're going to be reviewing the bicycle Pandamonium. I was going to be reviewing the bicycle tin that I got in the post yesterday, but I've decided to go with this. It's a deck I wanted to open for a while and I never bothered, and then since I've started the channel I've opened a lot of decks that I wasn't ever going to open. And I thought I'd crack on with this one really. I saw this and I thought, do you know what, I've got to get some pandas in my life. So I picked up these bad boys. I'll take the plastic off if one can get into it before we have a look at the top case. So here we have Bicycle Pandamonium playing cards, cartes à jour, which I presume is French for playing cards. Very, very French. I don't read French. Air cushion finish made in the USA. Maybe that's what that says. Fabrique EU. No idea. That looks 3D. I thought there was like an extra card stuck behind like a little flap here. 2014 United States Playing Card Company information. Seal, which we shall break. I don't like doing it like that. It's kind of gone in at a dodgy angle. Not what I was aiming for, but not the end of the world. Awesome. Pandas, what's not to love? They're like silhouettes as well. The white fades into the white. Yeah, it's got some bamboo leaves in the corners. I presume it's bamboo. Ah, he's cuddling his baby. Or she. Now I'm pretty stoked about this because I thought these were probably going to be standard faces, but they're not. So we've got a panda there. 2 pandas. 3. They're changing with the pips as well. That's pretty cool. Grorty. That's good. It's really cool. They've kept the pips the same colour, obviously black and white for pandas, but I quite like it, to be honest. Yeah, so they've kept exactly the same for each suit. So it's not like a distinguished silhouette stampy pattern. But they're still pretty cool. And all of the aces have this big panda on them, rather than the ace of spades having something fancy on it and the rest just having one of these in the middle. Oh, we've got some information at the back here. Remember the rules. Pandamonium. A bit more information about pandas. You can pause it here and have a look if you like. More information. It's cool. They're not just using pandas as a selling point. They're sort of informing people about them, which is pretty cool. That's also very cool. That looks more like a barcode than the zigzag did. But it's very nice, very cool. And I mean, that's going to look pretty phenomenal. Again, it's like that dragged window from Windows 98. Just a ton of pandas there. I actually really like this deck. I really like pandas, but I really like this deck. I mean, yeah, look. The speed of it really determines the pattern that's coming out. I wonder if it's the same. It's hard to tell, really. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I like them a lot. I'm really glad they're not standard faces. I mean, these, to be honest, aren't the nicest looking faces. They really go in with the theme. So it's really nice. It's a nice deck. I'm glad I opened it, to be honest. I sort of stopped watching playing card reviews a good number of years ago because I had such a sizable collection myself, and I was sort of watching them and then getting annoyed because I wanted to open the decks that I'd seen that were really nice, but then I just wouldn't do it. So now I've reignited my love for it by reviewing these, because I'm opening a lot of decks that I wouldn't have opened and getting to actually look at the beautiful artwork and the really cool themes and stuff. One thing I did notice just on this shot here is that these pandas are all that way. So these are all upside down. So in order to get the pandas the right way up, you'd have to turn it around, which that could be used for a trick, because you might not notice that when playing with the cards. So if you had one card up the other way, you could tell just by having the pandas the other way up that that's their selected card. But I'll let you figure that out for yourselves. But yeah, I'm super happy with it. Really nice. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.